Yo, welcome back, guys. It's Hunted of the Rappreneur, and today we are going to get to part 3 of the things you need to know about non-exclusive versus exclusive licensing. We're really just gonna kind of go over like where you stand as an artist in your career right now at this very second to determine like if you should be leaning more towards non-exclusive or more towards an exclusive, because there are pros and cons to each way, as you saw in part 1 and part 2 of the videos. Now, if you haven't seen part 1 and part 2, make sure you go back and check those out because they're going to be crucial to watching and understanding what's going on in this video. So we're just going to go ahead and get right into it, and this is part 3 of the things you need to know about exclusive and non-exclusive beat licensing right now. All right, so welcome back, man. We're gonna be real quick, get right back into it. Part 3 of the 2 things you need to know about leasing beats online. And basically, we're just gonna discuss like, where do you feel like you fall at this point in your career right now? Do you need non-exclusive or do you need exclusive rights? At this point in your career right now, where do you stand? How many followers and fans do you have? Collectively, that's Facebook, that's Instagram, that's Twitter. How many followers and fans do you have? Is it at least 10K? Is it 10K all together collectively? Not just one, collectively. All your platforms together, all your social following. Spotify, Apple Music. You got to think about these things. How many songs have you released? How many songs have you released that are available for you to be making profit from right now? How many songs do you got on Spotify? How many songs do you got on Apple Music, on TuneCore? How many songs you got registered with your ASCAP or your BMI? Come on, you got to be honest with yourself. What kind of streams and plays you getting across all platforms? Spotify, Apple Music. How many streams and plays you getting? How many sales you getting? Are your fans buying your music? Do you got enough fans that know about your music? Are you promoting your music? Are you getting any kind of label or publisher financing? Where are you at? Think about it. Where are you right now today in your career? Would the return on investment be worthy of the exclusive license right now, as of today? Are you ready for that? Would you know how to make a return on your investment if you was to buy exclusive license today? If so, $1,500 for a beat ain't nothing then, right? You know you gonna get that 10 times. You know, where you at? You know, can you drop $1,500 on the exclusive? Can you drop $500 on the exclusive today? And know that you gonna make 2, 3, 4, 10 times that. This is the kind of things that you need to be asking yourself on a daily basis. And if you're not where you need to be to start purchasing exclusively, then you need to start figuring out a plan to learn how to do that, to reach those goals. That's what you should be focused on. Where do I want to be? What do I need to do to get there? You need to reverse engineer the problem. And once you do that, you'll figure it out. You'll get to where you need to be. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. You know what I'm saying? I really hope this helps. I really hope you get a better understanding of where you stand, of what it means to get a non-exclusive license versus an exclusive license. I mean, getting that non-exclusive license may be the best thing for you right now in your career. This will allow you to start making money from your music. This will allow you to get it on Spotify and these things, and kind of test the waters and kind of see where you stand. It's all marketing. Like, this is what you want the labels to do for you, but this is all things that you can do for yourself. You can learn marketing. You can understand what it means when you release a song and to own the song and to have copywriting and how that's valuable and how you could, again, it all comes down to you want to be able to make money from this and make a living from it and do something that you love every day. And once you kind of get an understanding of that, and like I say, reverse engineer the problem of getting to where you want to be, from there on forward, like, you really begin to reap things in abundance. and live a life of abundance, which is ultimately where you want to be, abundant and happy, right? So like I said, I hope this helps. Be sure to check out the blog at 100drones.wordpress.com, where you can get more info. I'm dropping new knowledge every day. I'll also be keeping you guys updated in the email list on new things, new events, behind the scenes footage, dope stories as they kind of as I experience them, you know, and you guys get first look and first touch of everything that's coming out. So be sure to check out the banging bundle. Pretty much everything that you need to get started, everything that you need to kind of get a jump on the things that we're talking about. So be sure to check that out, man. I really hope this helps you guys, and you guys be blessed, stay safe out there, and y'all take it easy. I'm out. 100. All right, you guys, that's pretty much it. That wraps up part 3 of the mini course on the differences between a non-exclusive and an exclusive license. I really hope that opened up your eyes and kind of brought up some questions that you should be asking yourself, kind of makes you gauge exactly where you are in your career and kind of help you decide on the differences. Are you ready to kind of get more into the exclusive side, or are you still kind of, you know, building your sound and building your brand using non-exclusive beats until you're ready to kind of step up into the exclusive side? Alright guys, so if you did find value in this video, be sure to let me know in the comments. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video.